And here's how to send emails to Shopify customers. From your Shopify dashboard, in this left-hand menu, click on Customers. And here you will find the list of all of your Shopify customers. Select the customer whom you want to send mail. And here we can see the customer contact info. And here we can see the customer mail. So click on this customer mail. And here we can see the compose window open. Here in this form field, you can select your email address from which email you want to send mail to your customer. And if you want to send BCC to, you can add or select BCC here. And right here use email subject line, and in this custom message box you have to add the message. And now all you have to need to click on review email, and here we can see the final preview of the mail. So customer will see this mail template. Now click on send email, and that's it. You have successfully sent email to your Shopify customer. Thanks for watching.